You are looking at a finished slide deck, a cleaned-up spreadsheet, and a drafted email, all delivered while the person who asked for them was sitting in a completely different meeting. Nobody typed a single formula. Nobody built a single slide by hand. This is Claude Cowork, and it is not a chatbot you type questions into. It is closer to handing a task to a capable coworker and walking away. You describe the outcome you want. It plans the steps, runs the work, and comes back with something ready to review, instead of a wall of text you still have to turn into a document yourself. Before we go further, tap like on this video and drop a comment telling me what task you would hand off first if you could. It helps this video reach more people who are still doing that task manually every week. Here is why this actually works differently from a normal chat conversation. A regular chat is back and forth. You ask, it answers. You copy the answer somewhere else and do the formatting yourself. Cowork works more like a working session. It analyzes what you're asking for, breaks the request into smaller steps if it needs to, and can run several of those steps at the same time instead of one after another. While it drafts a document, it can also be researching a fact and organizing supporting files in the background, the same way a real assistant would multitask, instead of doing everything in a single straight line. Once it finishes, it hands you a polished result to preview and download, and you can steer it at any point along the way if something needs to change direction. I only share methods that I test myself, so let's actually set this up and run a real task together. This lives inside a paid Claude plan, so you need Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. It is not part of the free tier. It runs on web, on the desktop app, and on mobile, so you can start something at your desk and check on it later from your phone. If the task needs something on your own computer, like a local file sitting in a folder or your actual browser, you need the Claude desktop app open and connected, because that is the bridge Claude uses to reach those things. The heavy work itself still runs remotely on Anthropic's servers in its own isolated environment. Let's walk through what a real task looks like from start to finish. Say you run a small content operation, and every Monday you need a report pulling together whatever happened last week across a few scattered sources, some notes, a couple of documents, maybe an inbox. Instead of opening 5 tabs and stitching that together by hand, you describe the report you want inside Cowork, connect the folders or tools it needs, and let it go. It reads through what you gave it access to, pulls the relevant pieces together, and builds you an actual document, not a rough outline you still have to rewrite yourself. You can even schedule that exact task to run automatically every Monday morning before you sit down, so the report is already waiting when you open your laptop. Here's a second real example that shows the range of this tool. Say you need a slide deck summarizing a project for a stakeholder review along with a cleaned-up spreadsheet of the numbers behind it. You ask for both in plain language, and Cowork produces a genuine slide deck and a genuine spreadsheet, not placeholder text, and both stay editable afterward inside Claude for Excel and Claude for PowerPoint if you want to polish specific details yourself. That combination, a first full draft handled for you and a clean file left open for your final touch, is really the core of what makes this different from just asking a chatbot for advice.
Now, here is a mistake that trips up almost everyone the first time they use this, so listen closely here. People assume a task they started on their laptop is stuck there and either sit and wait for it or forget about it entirely. That is backwards. Cowork tasks keep running after you close the laptop because the actual work happens on Anthropic's servers, not on your machine. Closing your device does not stop the task. It just means you check the result later from wherever you open Claude next. The opposite mistake also happens constantly. People expect the task to keep running with zero setup while their desktop app stays closed the whole time. But any step that needs your local files or your actual browser needs that desktop app open and connected. Otherwise, Claude simply cannot reach that specific piece. Know which parts of your task depend on your own computer and which parts run purely on Claude's side, and you will stop losing time wondering why something stalled. Here is the golden tip, and this is what actually separates someone who dabbles with this from someone who runs their week through it. Group related work into a project instead of firing off disconnected one-offs. A project keeps its own files, its own context, and its own memory tied specifically to that area of work. So every new task you assign inside it already understands the history, the terminology, and the files from the tasks before it. Try this specific approach. Create one project for a reoccurring area of your work, like client reporting or content planning. Feed it your key reference documents once, and every new task you run inside that project afterward will already be working with full context instead of starting from zero every single time. That one habit turns a series of separate favors into something that behaves like an actual ongoing collaborator. I test new AI deals every week. If a new free method comes out, you'll see it here first. One more thing worth understanding before you hand over real work. Cowork can take real actions, not just suggest them. So it can click through a website, edit a file, or send something on your behalf if you grant it that access. And actions like that carry more weight than a task that only reads information. Keep sensitive files and high-stakes actions under your own review. Extend access only to folders and sites you actually trust, and treat this the way you would treat delegating to a new hire. Plenty of trust, but with your eyes still on the important decisions. If this showed you a way to get real hours back every week, subscribe now, because next video I am taking one messy, disorganized work week of my own and handing every piece of it to Cowork to see exactly how much of it survives without me touching a single file myself.